Good evening. Welcome to Option Center's Tuesday for 12/22. Welcome everybody. If you're new here, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit that Option Center logo and subscribe. We are going to go through ES on multiple time frames. Check this out from a high point of view and go all the way down to 65 and see if what we can see more on the Elliott wave pattern. So we have ES on the monthly. A candle looking like we got a breakdown and a bear flag and starting to break down to the next leg. We are losing the 8 EMA on the monthly time frame. We're crossing over on the MACD with a little bit of histogram movement to the bear side. Let's go down to the weekly. On this weekly time frame, we had this ascending wedge breaking down from there, very bearish at that point. We're still holding that 38.2, so we have a bull idea still in play, but we are bearish at this point, even though I have it marked down for the bullish count so far. We are breaking down from all the MAs at this point. The only one down low is the 100, but we'll see how the week closes. Very bearish if we close underneath that 8 EMA in the 50-week simple moving average at that point. So on the MACD, we came down to the we tried to pop back up actually and try to make a bull cross, but we're actually bending back down in this neutral zone. We need to see how we close really to determine what's going to start happening with this momentum indicator. But right now we're pretty much neutral. RSI is also at the neutral point, but you see they're kind of curling down at this point. Going to the daily time frame, trend is our friend. What do we have going on here? We're looking at, after this large move, I'm going to get in even closer here. We're starting to zigzag down here. We lost this support at 4,400, 4,410 area with a graveyard doji. So this is a slight caveat. Everything's pointing bearish, but with this possible reversal doji here, if we start getting back above this, we're going to consider that a fake break, and we're probably going to have a nice big rush to the upside. I don't know if we'll get over that 8 EMA. We're rejected off of it quite a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in a row each day. So what would happen if we did? The bullish scenario, we'll look on the Elliott wave in just a second here. Right now, we're crossing over on the MACD. We're retesting, going down to that neutral area. Also, same thing with the RSI. The McClellan summation index. I can't even say it right now. McClellan. That's awesome. Shame on me. We're down in the 400s, just into bear territory. Most of the volume's going down to the for the bears. 65. All right, looking at this chart with all kinds of lines on it. We came down. This is the daily low here. With this happen, this we start to rally, bear flag, breakdown, rally, bear flag, breakdown. This is a quick bear flag, but I'm not sure if it's the same style as these. So I think this might be something else happening. And the reason why I say that, now look at the momentum indicators, okay? Yes, we have a downtrend line here, broke down from it, but it looks like we're going to try to fight our way back up there and start a new uptrend. We'll kind of get tight here and see if we break up or down from it. Looking at the MACD, same thing with the RSI. We're still kind of like right there neutral. Are we going to break up or break down from that point? We're just going to have to watch price action. This is kind of a funny move here. These were easy. These were easy setups to play through, but this is a little bit more difficult. We have the options expected move for the week, so probability has it that we in the week inside of the options expected move, that's the lower end. This is the higher end. I should actually shade this this green area. That should be red now, seeing how that it's a resistance area at this point. But let's look over to, you see the channel. Sorry, we're breaking down from the channel each and every time. We start breaking above that channel, then we have a whole new ball game. Perhaps we'll actually have some movement to the upside. So going to the Elliott wave, we broke down all the way to the 50% retracement, and now we're starting to use that as a support area. The count that we've been going with is a 5 count down for 1, 3 wave up 2, 5 down to 3, 3 up to 4, and 5 down for the end of wave 5. Possibly could we change this to the 5 down here and say this was a bigger wave 4? It fits. It didn't cross the 1. So we could do that, but we're going to keep this the same here, that we have our wave count ending, and now we're going to go with a more irregular flat pattern. So we're looking at possibly an A, B, and we'll have to watch price action to see if we get the C. It would be an expanding flat, and see if we get our correction up there, which would mean we probably break down from this, break this channel to the upside. And if we don't, we still have a possibility of having a running flat. So if we have an A, B, a shorter wave C, and we continue to the downside. So lots of possibilities. So that really means we're going to have to watch our, instead of worrying too much about the count, we really want to watch price action. I do have calls on right now. If we break down from this 43.81, I'm out. I'm out of these. I did something wrong, unless obviously we have our move up first. If we start breaking out of this channel, we'll take those calls. We'll take our profit before we even get out of the channel, just like we did this time. And thank God we did, because we broke back down quickly. Let's see what happens with this price action. See if we start to break down from this 43.81 or break up from this 44.58 zone here. Okay, that's it. We'll try to keep it simple as that. Don't worry too much whether this is a flat, whether this pattern had ended here. We'll get to that. We'll keep doing that. So hit that notification button and get these updates often, and we'll keep this wave count updated and see if we have some sort of bullish day tomorrow. If not, we'll get out of some of these calls. We do have put protection on as well, but okay, that's all we got for tonight. Thanks for joining us here at Option Center. Don't forget to like these videos if it helps out. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.